Today on Designing Spaces. Don't think you need supplemental insurance for your kids? Guess who accounts for the majority of all sports-related injuries? Looking for the right solutions for your next home project? True Value is your DIY partner. Need fun, engaging, and educational toys for the kids? Make a playdate with Fisher-Price. Tired of paying for channels you never watch? Sling TV is here to help. In today's insurance world, there are many options from which to choose for protecting the entire family. Sometimes parents are not aware of all the products and benefits that are available.
On an everyday basis, you may run into any kind of situations that expose you to risk. And obviously, it's something that you don't necessarily think about every moment of the day, but you would probably be thinking about it if you didn't have the coverage.
I've always thought that insurance is very important. There's always these different plans and there's different information and which plan do you take and which doctors can you have, and I wish it was a little bit easier to understand sometimes.
The couple consulted with Jeff from US Able Life, a company that provides many different protection products. They specifically ask about what are the best insurance alternatives for protecting their family.
US Able Life offers 3 different products: an accident product, critical illness, and hospital confinement. The accident product is designed to indemnify individuals when they have an accident, whether it's small or big, whether it's a car accident or whether you're falling off the bike. We have a critical illness policy that's designed to indemnify if you have a heart attack or a stroke, or whether you're diagnosed with a critical illness such as cancer. We have a hospital plan that's designed to pay individuals a cash benefit when they're hospitalized. Often the hospital's admission is very expensive, and it can wipe out a person's savings account if they're not prepared for it.
So when I go watch any one of my 3 boys play sports, it's always in the back of my mind, is this going to be one of those days that is going to be a problem?
When you watch the kids out there playing and wonder if there's any risk, you unfortunately are reminded that there always is, because every single game that you go to, somebody ends up on the bottom of the pile and you kind of just hope it's not your kid.
We're never thinking about the potential for a problem. But these are, teenagers, they're aggressive, they want to win. And they certainly will do anything that it takes in order to get their team that extra point.
Oh no!
No way! What? You okay?
If you have a child and they're playing sports like rugby and they get injured, and you have an accident product in place for you and your children, then you're going to receive a cash benefit directly to you to help offset your medical costs and really reimburse or indemnify you for your expenses. So it's human nature for people to think that nothing bad's going to happen to them. We want to think that everything's going to be okay, but in reality, things do happen, and it's often unexpected and unplanned for.
I think insurance is essentially peace of mind. So it is something that every family should really be thinking about, making sure they're well covered, because anything can happen at any point in time, and you need to be well covered.
Yeah, it's important to educate people about why they need a product like accident insurance, for example, because most people think that health insurance is all the protection that they need. But the reality is that deductibles are rising. Our cost share as individuals is rising for health care. And so we need protection beyond just our health care plans.
I've always been insured, but the truth is I never thought very much about additional supplemental insurances before.
At US Able Life, we make a meaningful difference in people's lives when they need it the most.
Playgroups are a crucial part of learning for children.
Playgroups are really important. I have at least twice a week a group of parents that we meet and we have a great time. The moms have a great time, the kids have a great time.
It's allowing them to use their imaginations, and I love seeing them play with each other. Just interacting with different personalities of different kids, being exposed to something outside of their everyday.
They're learning skills for a lifetime.
And picking the right toys for your kids to engage with can be challenging, but Fisher-Price makes it easy by taking the guesswork out of choosing.
Fisher-Price to me means quality.
Everything is always colorful, everything's always interactive.
And here's a great playroom tip. Fisher-Price toys are helping your kids learn and grow through play, and you might not even realize it.
Everyday experiences are the best way for kids to learn. So when they're playing, that's their work. That's how they learn.
Toys like the Take Turns Skyway and Share and Care Safari help bring little people to life for kids.
When they're playing with toys like their little people friends, they are practicing real-world situations. So they're practicing taking turns and understanding, what's my place in this community? What do I do? What kind of helper am I?
I can see that they really go into that world. They believe what they're looking at. That creates that scenery for them. They don't have to go to the farm. They can be with the jungle and kind of a farm, kind of a jungle experience. She loves it. Skywing, she just feels that she's actually riding in it. You can tell that when it's driving around, she's inside, and when they fall through the bottom, it's like, oh, I arrived. And their little eyes, they're bright. So she's in that little world right there.
You know, they're learning in everything they're doing, they're absorbing everything they're seeing, and play just allows them to, you know, just use their imagination and build their confidence and makes them excited.
For more information, visit FisherPrice.com, and for more playroom tips, go to designingspaces.tv.
Meet newlyweds Orlando and Jenny. They recently got married and moved in together.
So let's see, we're going to repaint the guest bedroom, the bathroom. We're so excited to start a few upgrades on our new home. So we're here at our neighborhood True Value, where we're going to talk to the experts so we can get these projects done properly.
Let's get started.
Now they're ready to make their house a home and are taking on some DIY projects.
Hey, welcome to True Value. How can we help you today?
We're looking for paint. I brought a sample to match it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing some renovating on the bathroom, so if you can help us with that.
Absolutely, I think we can help you out for sure. Let's start with paint. I'm going to take you guys over to our paint bar. True Value is the destination for hardware, tools, paint, garden products, and more, but it's not just about selling products. For True Value, it's about superior service and providing our customers with advice on how to tackle their next DIY project. True Value stores are independently owned and operated by members of your community. Select True Value stores offer a complete color center solution to inspire your next DIY project, help you pick out the best colors based on your style and trends in the market, and to meet all of your painting needs.
Hey, Jason. Good. Orlando.
How are you? I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Got a few projects.
Okay, what are we working on?
Well, first we're painting our guest room. We have some guests coming over, so we want to make it nice and pretty.
Okay.
And we brought the shower curtain as our inspiration for color.
Okay.
It does have a few different shades, but we're really leaning towards this darker one.
Okay. Why don't you guys come around here and we'll look at some colors. How about that? We have a green palette card.
Oh, wow.
This gives you an idea of the different shades of green that complement each other. I think that
that's a huge selection.
Yeah, I think we can kind of take this and narrow it down. One of the things that we need to look at in conjunction with the color is the different types of lighting. The traditional looking lighting that you would have in your home is the relaxed look.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks like our home.
Yes.
Pretty close.
The reveal lighting is a little softer. I think that
probably that's a little whiter. I think that one matches better, right? That feels like home.
It kind of gives you an idea of what your color is going to look like.
That's great. So it won't look like a different color when we get home.
Exactly.
Easy Care Ultra Premium Paint is a paint and primer in one and offers superior durability, smooth application, impeccable finish, and rich color. It's low odor, low VOC, and 100% acrylic.
Do you guys have any other projects you're working on right now?
We're actually working on the bathroom. So.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up for you.
Okay. Your color?
We did.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to go to plumbing.
one is a good choice and a good value.
One great way to breathe life into a bathroom remodel is with new plumbing and new fixtures. And here at True Value, we have a great assortment of things to choose from, whether it's a new faucet or a new light fixture.
Oh, look.
Oh, they have puppy toys. Oh. This store's so great. I can't believe they even have pet supplies. I got this squeaky toy for our little dog, Chewy.
Our personalized service and expertly trained staff can help you do things like getting a key cut to getting a window rescreened.
Did you guys find everything okay?
We did, yes. And we had a lot of help. Yeah, you too. Bye. And now it's time to get to work.
Back to work.
I'm so excited. I am really excited about the house.
Yes.
We'll make it our own.
We're here at the Fairman's house. I hear they're super interested in Sling TV and becoming cord cutters. So let's help them out.
Meet the Fairmans. Family of 5 with busy schedules who love to watch TV. They have had cable for over 20 years, but today they're finally cutting the cord.
We've had cable for about 20 years. I'm a little hesitant to cut the cord and to switch over to Sling TV. I'm afraid that I'm gonna not have all the channels that I wanted.
That you never watch.
That I never watch, that he says, yeah, that I never watch. But not just like the security of having all those channels.
I'd rather just be simpler and have just closer to what the channels you are that you watch and only pay for the channels that you watch.
I'm so excited that Dave from Sling TV is coming by to explain how we can cut the cord.
Hi, you must be Ronnie.
Yes, hi.
Hi, great to meet you.
David.
David, I'm David too.
And I'm so excited to quit paying for all those channels we never watch.
So great to meet you, both.
Nice to meet you too. We're so excited to get Sling TV.
Awesome, well that's what I'm here for, and so why don't you show me where you watch TV?
Here's the main room where we watch TV in the family room.
Oh, and I see you've got an Amazon Fire remote.
Yes.
All right, so you've got an Amazon Fire TV there as well. So, who's watching here? What are you watching?
We have 3 kids.
3 kids.
So we're all watching TV in here. Sometimes in here we fight over who wants to watch TV.
She thinks it's her TV, but it's really my daughter's
Maybe originally it was her TV,
Yes.
and now it's not anymore.
Yes.
It looks like it's going to be very easy for us to install on our existing TVs and also on our older TVs where we can use the Fire Stick.
Okay, TV, Xbox, video games, got it?
Yeah.
And it looks like you got a computer and you're watching TV on your iPad there as well. So that's perfect because you get Sling TV on all of these, on the computer, on our iPad, and on the Xbox here too. So when they're done playing video games.
I didn't know that you could watch.
So it doesn't need to be a smart TV then?
It doesn't, no, as long as you have a way to get Sling TV, which you have 3 different ways in this room alone, then you're fine.
And they can watch different things so they won't end up fighting?
Up to 3 people can be watching on totally different TVs, totally different channels, all at the same time, so you'll be totally fine.
I'm so excited about getting Sling TV. Now I can keep playing video games while my sisters watch TV on their other devices.
I want to play Xbox too.
Get out of here.
All right, great. And so who's watching in here? You're watching in here?
I mainly watch in here.
Okay, what are you watching in here?
I'm watching a lot of soaps, local channels.
You can definitely get your local channels in here too. We'll actually be able to get those anywhere throughout the entire house. What's unique and amazing about the Air TV device is that you only need 1 antenna for the whole house, and you can put it wherever you get the best reception. The Air TV does all the work, so you can watch your locals for free in any room and even outside your home. Never worry about missing the game again.
I'm really excited that I can watch the local channels on Sling TV because I love watching my soap operas.
Sling TV is good for the Fairmans, or any family for that matter, because 1, they're saving money every month, and 2, they're still getting the same TV that they've always had. So with the flexibility of our services, they can pick the channels that they want, they can get the kids extra for their kids, and still be getting all the channels that they want anywhere. Now they also have an antenna set up, so they can get their local channels as well. All right, so signing up for Sling is fast and easy. So just click for your 7-day free trial, and now all you have to do is enter an email and password. All right, and now we'll pick the services you want based on the channels that you watch.
Okay, so this one seems good.
And now, once we have your main service, we can pick any extras that you might want.
Okay.
So you mentioned you have children, so if you want the children's extra, or if there's a lot of sports going on in this house, you can have the sports extra. Okay. We also have cloud DVR.
Oh, I would like the DVR to like record my shows.
Perfect.
So we do that and have it get the kids extra also.
Sounds great. And remember, you can always add more extras later. You can do it here or on the app itself. So now you're all signed up and you can start watching TV, even right here on your laptop.
Oh, wow. That was quick.
What I like about Sling TV is that I can watch all my favorite shows on my tablet.
There's a lot of things I love about Sling TV, but my favorite is that I can stream live TV anytime, anywhere I want. Like right now, I just find the app. Look at that.
I like Sling TV.
I'm so glad we finally cut the cord and signed up for Sling TV.
And now we're slingers.
When people hear the word porcelain, they usually think of intricate but extremely delicate Chinese vases and figurines from the Ming Dynasty. Why would anyone think of using this supposedly fragile material for such high-traffic items as floor tiles? Well, think again. In Lebanon, Tennessee, the artisans and technicians at American Wonder Porcelain are producing fashionable works of art that are not only beautiful and extremely durable, but they're also made in the good old USA.
Hello, I'm Michael Kephart, the president of American Wonder Porcelain. Welcome to our brand new manufacturing facility here in Lebanon, Tennessee. We're very proud that our tile is made in the USA by American labor.
Well, porcelain is typically thought of as fine china, very delicate statues, beautiful dishes, but porcelain actually is very durable. It's very beautiful as well, so you can have a gorgeous product. We do everything from fabric or textile looks, which are very trendy right now, metals, stones, traditional terracotta looks, to very traditional marbles.
The artisans at American Wonder Porcelain use nature as inspiration when developing new products.
Our source of inspiration is natural looking products. Take it from the natural stones, wood, fabrics, cement, and anything you want, we can make it.
Porcelain doesn't occur naturally in nature. It has to be created using materials like clay, bone ash, glass, and feldspar.
Once the file is in the computer, I can create the colors and fix all the imperfections that I can see before it gets to the laboratory for development. Right now, I'm working on a wood concept and have already fixed the imperfections. Now it's time to work on the colors. I think it's a little bit yellow on my screen, so let's make it a little bit more rustic because most of the customers want a rustic wood.
This line we're going to take a look at today is called Winter Stone. Now, American Wonder Porcelain has done a really good job with this one. So this one has a really soft texture, and it has a linear look, which we're seeing a lot trending pretty hard right now. Now the technology is such that you can create really any natural stone pattern to where it looks very, very real and very realistic, and you might not know it's not natural stone by looking at it today.
The foundation of our success at American Wonder Porcelain is our employees and our customers. We are on track to grow our business, to bring more fabulous glazed porcelain products to the U.S. market.